Yummy. Come along with me, guys. Let me show you how I prepare this. Welcome back to another new video with Lady p.Naija TV. In today's video, guys, I am going to be showing you guys a very quick way I prepared my vegetable sauce. That's what I'm preparing today. My ingredients are all ready, guys. I have my fresh tomatoes in here. I have my scotch bonnet pepper. That's my Maggi cube, onions. Also, I have my dry fish. I also have some chicken inside the pot, curry. Everything is here, guys. That's my vegetable leaf. This is what I'm going to be using for my vegetable sauce. Quick one. Okay, guys. So stay tuned and watch me doing the cooking. Just put my jumbo powder. Here's my salt. Onions. So my meat is ready. So first, guys, I will be frying my chicken. The heat was too much, so I have to reduce it. is my onions. I will fry it a little bit before I add the tomatoes, my sliced tomatoes. So I will leave it now to cook a little bit before I will add the rest things. So now I will be adding my Maggi cube. At the same time, I will be adding salt, curry, thyme, ginger powder, so this is my crayfish. So now guys, I will be adding my vegetable leaf. So I will add the fish also. I just put the chicken. I will add the fish now. I scatter the fish, okay? So I will just turn it now. It's almost ready, guys. So guys, my spinach sauce is ready. This is the outcome, guys. Oh my god, it's so sweet, very tasty. When I say it's tasty, oh my god, believe me, it's too yummy. So guys, I will be using my sauce to eat rice. I will be preparing the rice right away. Not only rice, guys, this sauce right here, you can use it to eat swallow, pounded yam, puree, semo, amala, garri too, make eba. Is very good to go with it. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of my vegetable sauce. Okay guys, I love you all. Thank you all for watching to this extent. You guys are so amazing. I love you all. If today is your first time coming across my video, please guys, don't hesitate to subscribe for your girl. Like my video. You can also share to friends and family so that they will not be missing. Okay guys, they need to see this delicious food. Okay, it's so sweet and delicious. It's too yummy guys. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.